Today we're going to check out how to make this impossible text blend here in Illustrator, or in other words, a dirty blend, because it's really unnatural to blend two types of letters. I saw this trend ongoing on Pinterest and I'm going to show you how to do it. Select the type tool, type in whatever you want, choose a font. I'm going to go with Inter Black, right click, create outline. I'm going to unite it at the Pathfinder, right click, on group. I'm gonna make a copy of this and put it right here. And I'm gonna select this one. Let's swap it from fill to stroke. I'm gonna decrease the stroke a little bit more. And I'm gonna select the direct selection tool and remove the holes inside from the letter A and the P and the R. So we're gonna have an easier blend. And I'm also gonna create a new copy. And I'm gonna blend the P and the A together. Select the blend tool, click, and I'm gonna deselect, select the blend again, and click, deselect again, select the blend again. At the bottom, I'm gonna connect the A and the N, and the T and the E, and remove the P and the R. Good, select all, double click on the blend, select specify steps, increase the number, click OK. I'm gonna put this here, and now I'm gonna create some waves. Select the pen tool, and it looks something like this. I'm going to create two copies of this, press and hold Alt to drag it down. As you can see, if you zoom in, we get an anchor point here in the center. So I'm going to select it with the direct selection tool. Actually, I'm going to select it both that are here in the center, and I'm going to go here to the anchors, cut path. So this way we're going to cut the lines. And now all we need to do is select the first line, select the P and the E, press and hold Shift, select both, go to Object, Blend, and replace Spine. As you can see, the A is in the first, so I'm gonna go to Object, Blend, and Reverse Spine. So the P is the first letter now. I'm gonna select the second one, go with the A and the N, Object, Blend, Replace, and Reverse. Blend, Reverse. And you do the same thing with the rest as well. And from here, I'm gonna go and select the fill letters and just position them above the strokes. And of course, these fill letters are hiding the imperfections of the blend, so it actually looks better. And this was it. Thanks for watching.